Good day everyone, I am Glorabeth Quinones and I'm going to discuss the last lesson in chapter 2, which is the number systems and conversion. So at the end of this video, you can able to define number systems, identify the types of number systems, and apply conversion in number systems. So before we going to proceed to the number systems, let us know is what is number. So we already know that number it is a mathematical object used to count, measure, or label things, and also it helps us to understand and work with amounts in our daily life and with the math, just like the natural numbers used for countings, the whole number plus zero, integers na ay negative numbers and positive numbers, the rational number na numbers na pwede ma-fraction, can written a fraction, and the irrational numbers na can't be written as fraction. So, number systems, it is a way to represent and count numbers using a set of symbols and rules. It decides how numbers are written and used in calculation. So, sa number systems, naa siya upat ka types of number system. The first one is the decimal number system. So, as what it said na basta number system naa siya set of symbols and rules. So, sa decimal, naa siya symbol and rules, which is ang palatandaan sa decimal is base 10, only 10, and once decimal it is start with the 0, 1, 2, and until 9, which is kutob siya sa 10. So that is the set of rule sa decimal number system. Next is the binary number system. I actually na-discuss na jud ni Sir, but hapyaw lang na ako siya i-discuss since it is my part of my this is my report din. So sa binary number system, it has 2 digit, which is sa binary ang base niya is only 2, which is base 2 ang binary, and the digit is the 0 and 1. Then next one is the octal number system. It is sabotable na sa name pa lang na octal, which is just like the shape, the octagon shape na naa siya 8 sides. So sa octal number system, base niya is 8. And the last one is the hexadecimal number system. So sa hexadecimal number system, base niya is 16. But sa hexadecimal system, naa siya rules, which is from 0 to 9 is number lamang. But since base 16 man siya, kaya so kailangan siya iabot og 16, which is the remaining number, which is the 10 up to mag 16 pa bata. So dili, because until 15 lang ta, because 0 is it is also part sa 16. So 10 to 15, imbis na baliwalaon siya or what, i-replace lang ingon sa hexadecimal number system, ang rules niya is replace lang siya into a alphabet, which is the letter the 10 will be replaced as A, 11 B, C, D, E, and the 15 last one is F. That is the rules in hexadecimal number system. And also, if you remember that the binary number system is naana siya addition. How to do addition in between the two binary numbers. So for this example number 1, before we're going to start to solve this, always remember that 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1, always remember that it will be 0, bring down 0, carry 1. Then, what? Since namatay carry 1, bring down the number ones. What if kung tulo? If there are 3 if there are 3, what we're going to do is 1 plus 1 equals 0. Just place here and 0, then carry 1. So 0 plus 1. So 1. Then bring down 1. So this is how you do it once there is a addition in binary. So here in number 1 example, let's solve this. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, and 1 plus 1, 0, bring down 0, carry 1, and bring down the number 1. So this is the binary numbers. For the another example, number 2. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 0, 0, 1. One plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, bring down 0, plus 1. So 1 plus 0 equals 1. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1, bring down 0, carry 1, then bring down the number 1. This is the answer in between the addition of two binary numbers. So another example naman, 1 plus 1, bring down 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 0 equals 1, then 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 1 plus 1 equals, bring down 0, carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, place the 0 here, then carry 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. So next one is 1 plus 0, 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, bring down 0, and carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 0, place the 0 here, then put the number 1, carry 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, then the carry, there is 1 sa nabilin, so this will be bring down 1. So this is the answer, but there is a method or there is a way to check kung tama mo gi-answer. So to check that na tama mo answer, imo siyang i-separate into a columns. So, to check if tama ba ni ang pag-solve na to sa binary. So, since the binary is base 2, so, inanap ng buhaton. Basta 2 sa squared. Basta 2 to the power of 0 equals 0. 2 to the power of 1, 2. Then 2 squared, 2x squared will be 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Then 2, 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 16. Ay, 8. 8. So, 2 times 4 is 16. Tama ba? 16. Since binary is base 2, so each column, butangan na to siya. For the first column, 1, second, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, oh my god, and 64. So, and identify na to. So, to check this, imong pansin na lang diri is the number 1 lang. Which is ito. So, identify kung each one, kung asa na place ang number 1, unsay number niya na column, may mong pang plus dire. For the example, so number 1, 32. This is the 32. For the second one, 8 plus 8 plus 4 and last plus 1 equals 45. 3 na side ay sa upper. So the next one is here, ito, this 4. So 32 again, 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 and plus 1. Total is 61. So, all you have to do is add para kung sa may mulabas dire, dapat pareharapod sila. So, for 5 plus 1, 6, then 4 plus 6 equals 10. Since 10 man ang decimal niya, tama. Ang atong gihimo diri is binary to convert into decimal. Since 10 man yung decimal, dapat kani siya atong gi-answer na binary is tama, konektado po siya sa decimal. So, identify always the number 1 lang ang imong pansinon. Don't mind the 0 because wala na. So for the number 1, 64 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 equals 106. It means tama atong gi-answer sa pag-add sa duha ka binary numbers. So that's how you convert the That's how you check the binary if tama siya. Number systems conversion. So, in this topic, so sa number system conversion, so numbers can be represented in various numerical systems such as binary, decimal, and hexadecimal. Additionally, any number expressed in one number system can easily be converted to another. So, it means each number system pwede siya ma-convert to another number system, just like what we did earlier na ang binary gi-convert into decimal. So, pwede po na siya ang decimal ma-convert into binary, decimal ma-convert to octal, and so on. And there are two methods for the conversion of the number system. So, the first one is the successive division. There are two methods in conversion: the successive division and the subtraction method. But there is a subtraction method. Only the binary can work with this method. Like the decimal convert to binary. So, to do this, just like the 25, this is base 10. 75. So, sa subtraction method daw, all you have to do is to subtract all kung sa'yo naa sa yung middle na number. So, before ta mag-subtract, ipambutang sa nato ang mga just like this 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and di na ta pwede mag-exit kay ang given number lang man is only 75, and 28 times 2 pa ta, it will be 256, which is sobra na. Always just limit lang sa given number. So, since 75 man siya, dito daw na to sugdan sa tunga. Usay katunga sa 75. So, since 128 man ang pinaka-highest and 64 ang pinakagamay, which means duol siya sa 64. So, let's put the 64 here. So, 75 minus 64 equals 11. So, put plus 1 dire. So, 11 na po daw. Unsay asa siya na placement. 16 is greater lang. 8 is lowest. So, it means na siya dito nga. So, dool siya sa 8. So, minus 8 siya. Then, put the 8 here. Equals 3. So, may duol sa 3, which is the number 2. number 2. So, number 2 equals 1 plus 2 here, 1. Since 1 naman siya, this is enough. Hindi lang siya kutob. So, all you have to do is add the, solve this sa taas. Kung tama ba siya. So, 64 plus 8 plus 2. 1 plus 1. Last number na siya. So, dapat 75 pod ang labas ani. So, 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 equals 75. So, ang giingon sa subtraction method, kung saang naa dire gibutang, kung saang naa di sa taas, mao'y mag-represent as 1 na ibutang nimo dire sa baba. So, 64 is present na siya. 32 naa ba? Wala. So, 0. 60 naa? Wala. 0. 8 naa siya? Wala. Naa. So, 1. 4 na wala. Wala. So, 0. 2 naa. And 1 naa. So, here is the binary from decimal to from decimal converted into binary. So, maano siya. Another example is tangtag 142. 142. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, and diha lang siya taman kasi sobra na siya sa 142 ang 256. So, just subtract the 142 sa 128 kay siya man dool sa 142. So, 14 asa siya mas dool sa 8. Di siya pwede sa 16 kay high kayo. So, 8 kung tabutang 128 here plus 8. 14 minus 8 equals 6. So, side doon sa 6, which is the 4. Between sa 8 and 4. So, 4 plus 4 equals 6 minus 4 equals 2. So, syempre 2 last minus 2 equals 0 plus 2. So, let's add this first muna. So, 128 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 equals 142. Tama siya. So, kung unsa ang present dire, may siya mag-represent as 1 for the binary. So, present ang 128, 64 is dili, 32 is dili, 16 no, 8 is present, 4 is present, 2 is present, and 1 is dili. So, mao ni siya ang answer sa decimal ma-convert into a binary. Mao ni siya ang answer. So, this is how you do it sa subtraction method. But only lang siya ma-work sa decimal to binary. But sa other number system, hindi na siya ma-work. So, pwede po magamit ang ang successive division method to the conversion of decimal and binary. For this example, sa given na 148, base 10 man ang decimal, di ba? So here, since base 10 man ang binary, nag-base siya sa binary na 2, so gi-divide siya 2 ang given number na 348 divided by 2 equals 174. Once whole number ang answer, 0 ang remainder niya. So, padayon sa 174 divided by 2 equals 87. Whole number again. So, 0. So, 87 divided to 43.5. So, syempre, matingala mo ano 1 dire. Syempre, ang 43, padayon siya ibutang dire, ang 5, i-times 2 siya sa base 2 sa binary. Which means, mahulog siya og 2 times 0.5 equals 1. Kanilang. I-times lang ning duha. Ito at saka ito, 5. 2 times 0.5 equals 1. That's why 1 dire. So, padayon 43 divided by 2, 21 again. 21.5. So, since divide na, times naman siya. So, 1 answer. So, put the whole number here. 21 divided 2 divided by 2 equals 10.5. Remainder 1 again. So, 10 divided 2 divided by 2 equals 5. Whole number na siya. So, 0. So, 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. So, 1. So, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 0 equals 1. So, 1 plus 1 times 2 equals 0. 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. Then, since naman siya point, igo rin mo siya it times year. So, 2 times 0.5 equals 1. So, sa rules diri sa successive division method, i-read nimo siya from down to up. Paana. Mao ni siya ang least significant bit and mao ni ang most significant bit. From down to up ay mong pagbasa sa binary, which is 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0. So this is the answer from the conversion sa decimal to binary using the method of successive division. So, for the octal na naman, since ang octal is base 8, so, syempre, we will use the 8 for dividing, to divide the decimal number. So, 348 divided by 8, 40.5. So, times Japon mo siya, use same method, 8 times 0.5 equals 4. So 43 divided by 8 equals 5.375. Then times again 8 times 0.375 equals 3. Make sure jud complete to imong pag-calculate ani nila. So 5 divided by 8, 0.62. 625. Same method, 8 times 0.625 equals 5. Same again. So the answer is the conversion of decimal to octal is 534. Base niya is 8. Ano lang siya? So, next one is the conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. So, since hexadecimal is base 16, so 16 atong gamitin for the division. So, 348, same given, 348 divided by 16 equals 2.75. So, same process, 16 times 0.75 equals 12, which is kani. Then, 21 divided by 16, 1.3125. Same process, 16 times 0.3125. Remainder 5. So 1 divided by 16 equals 0.0625. Same process, 16 times 0.625. Remainder niya 1. And that's all. But unsa ang rule sa hexadecimal? Naaman siya sobra sa 9 because from 0 to 9 is number, but since sobra man siya sa 9, it will be converted into it will be replaced into alphabet, which is the letter C, because 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 has A, B, C, D, E, F. So 12 is C. So 15 C. 16 base na siya. So this is the answer for the conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. So for the practice question, so answer this question number 1. Convert the decimal number 25 into binary. Show your solution. And number 2, why is the binary number system important in computers? So if you have any question about my topic or my lesson, you can approach me or you can ask anything about if naakay di magets or what. So, thank you, and that is the end of my discussion or the discussion in the chapter 2. Thank you.